Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire dishwasher thermostat. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new thermostat. The thermostat is a safety device that shuts off the power to the heater if it gets too hot. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's failed and the heater's not coming on, or the contacts inside are stuck together and the heater's not shutting off. In order to change this part, we have to pull the dishwasher out, so we're going to go underneath the sink and disconnect the lines. Now that we're underneath the cabinets, you want to make sure that the dishwasher is still unplugged, and you may want to throw a towel down. When we take off the fill line and the drain hose, there's going to be some water that comes out. First, we're going to disconnect the fill line. It's connected right here to the hot water valve. You want to make sure the water valve is off, and then we're going to use our 5/8" wrench to loosen up the hose. Once you have it broke free, you can just reach in and unscrew it by hand. Once you have it off, you can just set it down, and then we can take off the drain hose. To take the drain hose off, you just want to follow it up to wherever it goes. It may go to the garbage disposal. Ours goes up to the air gap. Once you locate the end of it, we're going to take a 5/16 nut driver and loosen up the clamp. Once you have the clamp loose, you can pull it free and set it down. Now that we have the lines disconnected, we're going to open up the dishwasher door and use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Now that you have the screws out, we're going to lift up on the door, carefully pull the dishwasher out a little bit. Then we can grab the frame, pull it out the rest of the way. Now we have access to the thermostat. It's located on the bottom of the tub here on the left side of the machine. We're just going to reach in with a small flathead screwdriver to help take the wires off. Once you have the wires off, we can reach in with a short Phillips screwdriver and loosen up the screw. We're not going to take it out all the way. There's this little short white retainer bar that goes across the thermostat and holds it in place. So we're just going to loosen up the screw and turn that, and then drop the thermostat out. Once you have it out, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old thermostat next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new thermostat in, you just want to line it up with the round cutout where it sits and lift it up into place. And then you want to swing the arm over, kind of hold it in place. While you grab the short screwdriver, tighten up the screw. You want to make sure that when you tighten down the screw, it's tightened down all the way so that there's no space between the tub and the thermostat. Otherwise, it may not read properly. Once you have it tightened down, we can put the wires back on. To connect the wires, we're just going to grab them and plug them on. Doesn't matter which one goes on which side. Just make sure they go on all the way and you get a good connection. Now we have to reach underneath and put the lines through the cabinets. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway. Then we can go underneath the sink and pull on the lines to make sure they're not caught on anything. Then we can push the dishwasher in the rest of the way. Now we can reconnect the drain hose to the air gap. Once you have it pushed up into place, we're going to use our 5/16" nut driver to tighten down the clamp. Once you have the drain line hooked up, we can hook up the water line. All you have to do is get it started by hand. Once you have it snug, we can reach in with our 5/8" wrench to tighten it down so it doesn't leak. Now that we have the lines reconnected, we're going to open up the dishwasher door and use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws to hold it to the countertop. Now that we have the screws in, we can close the dishwasher door. Then we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.